Yo everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. Smash that like, subscribe, and bell right now for more hacks. Let's mine. Today I'm dropping how to install XRay on Minecraft Bedrock PC 2025. See diamonds through stone? Here we go. Fire up your browser, hit Google, search XRay Bedrock Edition. Click the second link, trusted download page. Grab the latest .mcpack file and double-click it to auto-import into Minecraft. Launch Bedrock Edition. Main menu, click Settings. Scroll to Global Resources on the left. Find your new XRay pack and click Activate. Back to Settings, click Video. Set graphics mode to simple. Disable smooth lighting. Crank brightness to 100%. Night vision potion makes ores glow even harder. Hit done, load any world, scroll around, ores popping everywhere. That's your diamond radar, fam. Drop a comment. First big find? Like subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot and I'll catch you in the next hack. Peace!